Today I'd like to share my hobby of baking for my Explorer Fair project. One of my favorite things to do in the morning is to help my mom make pancakes. I also like to help my mom make apple turnovers. Before I start baking, I'm going to give you guys some tips. First tip is to put your hair up so that no hair gets into your food. And if you're a boy, just skip this step. Then you're going to get your apron. And now you're going to wash your hands. Now let's get baking. If you've never baked before, I'd start with a box mix to get started. Start off, read your directions and figure out what you need. 1 cup of water, 1.5 cups of oil, 3 eggs. And then you're going to get your materials ahead of time. I have all my ingredients now. Pro tip, even if it comes in box, always sift your flour. Sometimes you have to give it a good pat. Now let's get back to the directions. It says to preheat the oven to 350 and coat your pan. I like to use cooking spray. I'm preheating my oven now. I'm pressing bake and start. Now let's start making the mix. First, get the water. Then the oil. Then let's crack the eggs. Crack, crack, pull. After your egg cracking, you can always try cracking it in a bowl first, or you can ask an adult. Crack, crack, pull. That way you don't have any eggshells in your mix. Crack, crack, pull. Sometimes you need to crack it an extra time. Crack, crack, pull. Now you can get your bowl and pour it in. It's time to whisk. Might want to put your hand on the side. You're just going to do this, but faster. Make sure you get all of it. Scrape the sides. There's the oven. We're almost ready. Lifting help the mixing. Now my batter is smooth. You're going to get this. Scrape the side. Make sure this is the right size you want because we're supposed to be at least halfway. Now we're going to put it in the oven. Make sure to use gloves. Make sure to put it into 29 to 34 minutes. Make sure to check on it. Now that you've finished putting your cake mix into the oven, you're gonna set a timer. Alexa, set timer for 30 minutes.
Setting timer, 30 minutes. Starting now.
It started to rise. It's gonna be an awesome cake from the looks at it. Now let's take it out.